Ayan guys, paano i-connect yung dalawang Blaze GT1 intercom for the first time. Ayan, kung nahihirapan kayo mag-connect ng dalawang ito, ayan, baka yung dalawa sila is nasa receiving mode or transmitting mode. Ayan, dapat isa sa kanila is transmitting at yung isa is receiving mode. Ayan, paano natin gagawin yon guys? Ayan, for example, bagong bukas, yung default nito is nasa receiving mode yung dalawang intercom. Ayan, and or baka yung dalawang intercom nito is nasa parehong transmitting mode. Ayan, dapat isa sa kanila is receiving at yung isa is transmitting mode. Ayan, pipili lang kayo dyan kung saan dyan yung transmitting at receiving. Ayan, yung una natin gagawin is on natin yung intercom. Ayan, yung isa. Ayan, may maririnig kayo dyan na
power on, Bluetooth mode.
Next is on natin yung helmet na to. Isang press lang. Ayan, mayroon kayong maririnig dyan na
intercom reception mode,
intercom receiving mode. Ito din, intercom receiving mode. Ayan, yung isa dyan yung gagawin nating transmitting mode. Ayan, example, ito yung gagawin nating transmitting mode. Yung gagawin natin is double click lang natin tong helmet na to. Tapos meron kayong maririnig dyan na
intercom transmit can be totally connected,
intercom transmitting mode. Tapos ayun, tapos maririnig kayo dyan na connected, na intercom is connected. Ayan, pwede na kayong mag-usap. Ayan, malalaman mo yan guys pag connected na is steady na yung ilaw nya. Ayan, steady na yan. Ayan, ibig sabihin connected na yan guys. Ayan, pwede na kayong mag-usap. Ayan, sa susunod na i-open nyo yung intercom nyo, ayan, automatic na magko-connect sila. Example, off natin. Ayan, power off. Ayan, power off natin. Tapos on natin guys. Press natin yung helmet. Tapos yung isa. Ayan, connected na sila guys. Ayan, steady na yung ilaw nya. Ayan, steady na yung ilaw ng helmet. Ayan, ibig sabihin is connected na yung dalawang intercom. Ayan, pag-adjust ng volume guys, ayan, steady lang, volume up or volume down. Ayan, ito din, volume up or volume down. Ayan, steady. Ayan, tapos yung language guys, paano palitan yung language? Baka ibang yung language na maririnig nyo. Ito lang, steady nyo lang yung dalawang pindot yung gagawin nyo dito guys. Dito may maririnig kayo dyan na
orang Indonesia,
Indonesian na language, or gusto niyo balik sa English, double click. Ayan, may maririnig kayo dyan na
English language selected.
Ayan, ganyan lang kadali guys paano gamitin tong Blaze GT1. Ayan, example, ayan, pag open nyo guys, hindi sila nag-connect. Ayan, ulitin nyo lang yung ginawa nyo nung first time yung kinonect yung dalawang intercom. Ayan, double click nyo lang yung isa sa kanila para mag-change mode sa transmitting or receiving mode. Ayan, para mag-connect yung dalawang intercom. Ayan guys.